This is the doohickey. Get them at AutoZone, called a split flange exhaust solution. These are the bolts that come with it. They're not long enough to use the double clamp. We got some all thread, Ace Hardware, cut to length. Just use the same nuts, get a couple extra nuts for the all thread and sock it right on there. That's it. They close up just like a pair of handcuffs. Fit right on your flange and you pull it right up there. That's the ticket. This is a cool flange gasket. If your donut blows out, just buy 2 of the repair kits and put one on top of the other. Set them on top of the flange. Sock them right up. So you can see my flange bolts are still busted out. They're still snapped off and hanging on there. Could easily bust those with a hammer or something.